Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have an idea. I am going to be working on a basketball court using these basketball players that you see here. Now I have two more. One of them is missing his foot, which I have to fix. I'm not sure what they're really made of and why this broke so easily. It didn't even fall on the floor, it just fell over on where I had it, and it just chipped off, you know what I'm saying? So I have to fix that, and I will be creating creations with this basketball hoop right here that you see. Now this I bought at the Dollar Tree, I believe, a while back, and I hadn't gotten myself to using this, but I don't care about this ball because the fifth player is holding a ball already, and I'm going to take you over to where he is. He's in a separate place. So yeah, so look at the details on these players. Look at this, and I'm going to show you the back also. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I bought these at a community yard sale. There was this boy with his father selling them just for $5, all of them for $5.05. Look at that. Now behind them is a house that's just a calendar, a real estate calendar. So I just placed it in the back because I wanted to cover the sun that's coming into my window. But it is giving me ideas, so that could be another video. So back to this basketball hoop. The hoop is fine, it's just that ball that I'm not going to use. So let's go over and see the basketball player that's holding the ball. So this is him. Now he is in his room there. This room was inspired by that bed that I bought at a flea market for just $5. It came without the bedspread, but I took my own fabric and I dressed it up. So I'm going to link the videos that I made on this room. I'm going to link that to the new creations that I make on the basketball court. Just because this room belongs to that basketball player. So going back to these here, I am going to do this before the summer ends because I want to do it on the driveway of my house since it's paved. That is where I'm going to create the basketball court. So I want you to stay tuned. I hope that you stay tuned because it is worth it. You will enjoy the new creations, and thank you so much for watching.